Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're doing an updated version of my arroz with gandules and rice with pigeon peas recipe. The last time I made it without the olives, so this time I'm adding olives and I'm adding a little bit of pimientos morrones, which is roasted red peppers, and some of the liquid from the some of the broth from the pork meat that I used to make the pasteles is in here. So that's going to be going into this recipe, and it's just to give the rice a different, more deeper level of flavor. So we're going to begin with a little bit of olive oil. Okay. Okay, some of our mashed garlic. And this garlic has oregano in it. Two cubes of lecao, which is the seasoning that I made in another video with cilantro. Cilantro, red peppers, green pepper, and onion. Okay, so all of that goes in here. Okay, I've already washed my rice. I rinsed it 4 times in water until it became a little bit clearer. And, well, the water, okay, until it rinsed a little bit clearer. And we're going to add some sazon in here also, and that's going to be for color. Okay, I almost forgot my sazon. Okay, we're going to add that in here. Let's make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. All right. Let that cook a little bit. Okay, so we're going to add our washed rice. It's rinsed, not washed. So nice cold water. Okay. I'm just going to stir it so you can get some of the color from the sazon packet. And I don't use the whole sazon packet. Just wanted to get a little color. And this is 2 cups of rice uncooked. I think last time I made 3 cups, but boy, my arm, my hand, my wrist was hurting of having to stir that rice. It was too heavy. So this time it's just 2 cups. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better, because I'm not used to making a lot of rice. I'm just used to making, it's only me and one other person here, so my son, and it's only 2 of us. So I usually just make about a cup or less of rice. But since it's the holidays, you know, we're making our Christmas rice. It's our official Christmas rice here in this home, so gotta make 2 cups or more. Alrighty, we're gonna add our gandules, which I rinsed. Okay, since it's the holidays, it's Thanksgiving. I'm also gonna make this for Christmas also, but right now it's Thanksgiving, and I've got a lot of things going on here. but I'm hoping I'm not going to forget any ingredient, because this is my updated version of my arroz with gandules, and I'm trying not to forget anything. All right, we've got our, okay, let me put the heat up a little bit more. Okay, and I want to add a little bit of this, because I'm not using adobo today. About a teaspoon of powdered bouillon, chicken bouillon. This just for a little bit more flavor. I'm not too crazy about the salt, so I'm trying to see if I find that, and I think Amazon has it, the low salt version. And then I want to add some tomato sauce, and that's about a third of a can. And I don't like to add a lot of tomato sauce because I'm not crazy about the flavor of it. But that's fine, you know, just I like to add a little bit. Not too much. I don't want it to overwhelm the other flavors. Okay. I think I've got everything. Okay, now in here I also have some meat left over from when I had made some meat for the pasteles, some of the pork, so that's gonna go in there also. Okay, so we're gonna add in here the olives that are in here. And since it's two cups of rice. What is it? It's supposed to be 2 cups of rice per, or 2 cups of water or liquid per 1 cup of rice. But I'm going to add a cup less, so it's going to be 3 cups of water. Well, or 3 cups of liquid. Because I'm also going to add this broth in there. You know, I forgot some of this broth was supposed to be for my collards, which are in this other pan over here. But you know, holiday cooking, sometimes you forget some things. Alrighty. Okay. So we're going to start our liquid. So it's going to be 3 cups of liquid. So I'm going to put a cup of the broth from the pork. And 2 cups water. I should have really put some of this in my collards. Well, it's not too late. Just let them cook for 20 more minutes. Right. Okay, we'll let that come to a boil, let it simmer, and then cover it and let it finish cooking. About 20-25 minutes. Alright, so our rice is boiling. So we're just gonna let it simmer for about 2 more minutes until a lot of the liquid is almost evaporated. A little bit more of that liquid is gone. Then we're gonna cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 20-25 minutes, and we'll be done. Okay, so our rice is ready, or it should be ready. Let me just get my spoon. All right, all we have to do now is stir it up. Might have needed, looks like it might have needed a few more, maybe 5 more minutes. Seems a little moist still. Alright. So what we'll do is we'll just let it continue to cook with the cover off. So if you could finish drying up. Okay, and we'll come back and look at it. Okay. Alright, so the rice is finished cooking. Again, this is an updated version of my previous rice. Arroz with gandules, rice with pigeon peas. It's got olives, green olives. It's got pork, roast pork meat. Pimientos morrones, which are roasted bell peppers. And some stock from when I cooked the meat for the pasteles, the pork. Okay, so here's our rice. It's looking and it's smelling wonderful. Let's put some of the meat in there. Wasn't a lot of meat. It was just some of the meat that I had left over from making my pasteles. Okay, and there you go. Let's put some of the red peppers so we can see them. Okay, some of the green olives. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you guys try this. And please keep the comments coming. They're very encouraging. Thank you very much. Okay, thanks for stopping by.